So good morning students. Now we will the next chapter, that is our chapter number 5 in computer, that is the introduction to program coding. Chapter number 5. Introduction to program coding. Okay. So our part will to study what is the program, what is the coding, and where it from generated, what is the use, what are the advantage, disadvantage. These things we have to study in this chapter. Okay. So first we have to discuss what is the programming language. What is the programming language? As we all know, to communicate with each other, we need some language. For example, when we have to communicate with any person, we have to use the English, Hindi, or Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Urdu. These languages we have to use to communicate each other. So when our computer wants to communicate with the user, then it needs some programming language. Okay. So and every programming language have some syntax. That is called the grammar. In our life it is said the grammar. In this it is called the syntax. So what is the syntax? It is the procedure to write the language or to use the language. The procedure to use the language. Or we can say that use the programming language. Okay. Now our next part is what are the programs? What are the programs? So programs are the set of instructions. Programs, we can say it is a set of instructions or a group of instructions that are used for some particular task. For example, if I want to make a program for the calculator, suppose I want to need a calculator. So for calculator, I will need a program. I will create a program, or it is a set of instructions. Okay, so these are called the program. So the program part is clear. The set of instructions are called the program. And now that programming language is a user language, or we can say that programming language is a user-friendly language. That is, it is not a machine language. Now, what's the difference between the machine language and the programming language? But machine language is written in the form of the 0 and 1. Okay? Machine language is in form of 0 and 1. But our programming language is not in the form of the 0 or 1. But it has to be in the form of the 0 and 1 because our computer only understands the machine language. It does not know about the any other language except the 0 or and 1. It only knows the 0 and 1 value. And no other value should be used by our computer. Okay? So next part is the thing that we write are called the source code. Okay, so what is the source code now? Source code is a program written in language, or we can say in high level language. It is a high level language. That is called the source code. It is not understood by our computer because it is not in the form of the 0 and 1. But we have to convert into the 0 and 1. Now we have to convert into 0 or 1. So we need something. Okay. So we will need the compiler or interpreter. Okay. Now what is the role of the compiler and interpreter? Compiler and interpreter are the program, or we can say that they are the translator. The another name is also there is a translator to that convert translator that translates source code to object code. So what is the object code? It is in a form of, written in form of 0/1. Okay. So these are written in the form of a 0 and 1. So till here we are having some let's discuss in a summarized way. That first is what is a programming language? To communicate users with the computer or to create something, some program, for example calculator, some game, we need some programming language. Okay, and that programming language has its own syntax like our grammar has. When we are using the English grammar, it has some syntax, it has some rules. In the same way, our programming language also has some rules, and that rules are called the syntax. Okay. Now, next part is what is a program? The program is a set of instructions that are written or that are created for some particular task. For example, I have to create a program for the calculator. So I will write some instructions how I have created that program for the calculator. So these are set of instructions, a group of instructions are called the program. Okay. Now programs are written in the form of the high level language. High level language are the user friendly language, that is the form of the English type words are used. But our computer does not able to understand what are these words. It only understands the 0 and 1, that is the binary language. Okay, it only understands the 0 and 1. So the thing that the program that we write is called our source code. The program that we write is called our source code. So when our source code is converted, now we have to convert the source code into the binary form, that is 0 and 1 form. Now it is not converted by itself. We need some translator, or we need some other program to convert it. So we need the two translators, that is the compiler and interpreter. So compiler and the interpreter are used for the translation part. That is, it translates the high level language to machine level language. I can write high level language to machine language. Okay. Now the language that we use to write these instructions, these programs are called the programming language. Okay, the instructions that are written by the in a programming language, that is called a program, that in the language that is called a programming language, and who writes that program are called the programmer. Okay, suppose I am writing something, I am writing some program for some particular way. So that time I will call a program. So the next part is we have to study our one programming language, that is the Java. So this is our introduction to our Java. So this programming language we have to study from our 8th class to 12th class. Okay. So the first we have to know who developed this, in which year it is developed. So Java is a programming language. Java is programming language that is developed by James Gosling. James Gosling in year 1996. Okay, in year 1996. As it is invented before, but the implementation should have done in 1996. The implementation part will be was done in year 1996. So this year is only we can say it is developed. So now what is the Java? Java is, we can say Java, the main part is that it is an object oriented programming. Java is an object oriented program. In short, we will write the O. And who make this the Java object oriented programming, that will be discussed. So This we have to study. Object-oriented programming about Java. Now, where we have to write the program of this Java, that is one part, is the one software is there, that is the BlueJ. And on a BlueJ. Okay? And on this ID we will use the our Java program. We will write our Java program. This is one IDE. It is called the IDE. What is the IDE? It is Integrated Development Environment. Integrated Development Environment. Now it has all the features. BlueJ have all the features to write the source code, to edit, to execute, to generate the object code. All is done by our same, that is the BlueJ. So we will study with the help of this. Okay. Now, a BlueJ it has the following element, that is a viewer. Who is the viewer? Who see the program? Okay. Who see the program, that is called the viewer. And the second part is the editor. The editor is the part where we write the program. Next is the debugger. Debugger is to remove all the errors. Debugging is our process. Debugging is the process by which we remove all the bugs. Bugs are the error. Okay, and that would remove